We welcome you for this mounting instruction of the Custers mobile tower scaffold, using safeguard guardrail frames with an even platform height. We will show you in 3 minutes how to assemble the mobile scaffold in a safe way. You start the assembly of the basis with a 4-rung frame. To ensure safety during erection, it is mandatory to apply all wheel brakes. Special care has to be given to the height adjustment of the wheels and the securing of the wheel spindles. Leveling of the basis has to be done securely. This has to be done on the spot where the tower is erected. Do not forget to take a couple of clips to secure the 8-rung frames. Always use 2 diagonal braces in the basis. After assembling the basis, you take 2 safeguards. Position the 2 safeguards on the upper rung of the 2 8-rung frames. You position the platform with hatch directly on the rung underneath the diagonals of the safeguards. Secure the platform on both ends. Position the stabilizers in such a way that they make a 45 degrees angle with the frames. Assure that they are lightly under tension. Always secure all superimposed 8-rung frames. Continue to build up the safeguard scaffold until the needed height level is reached. The top floor of the mobile scaffold consists of 2 platforms, one with hatch and one without. The latter is positioned on the street side. Always secure the platform ends. Position the 4 toe board holders on the upper platform. First, slide in the short toe boards in the holders. Then slide in the long toe boards. For extra stiffness, it is recommended to add an extra diagonal brace at each floor level underneath the working floor. We're done! You build up a 6-meter platform height safeguard tower in approximately 20 minutes. Enjoy your work!